This is a quick way for you to convert homeowners by using data. Now, whenever I teach the agents in my office, or even when I work with my husband's team, sometimes I'm the team. These are the metrics that I like to train them to be able to explain. Inventory, like how many homes are on the market, list to contract, how many days does it take to get to contract, and then number of showings to contract. That way I know how many showings you should have before you go under contract, and then month supply. Are we in a buyer's market, stable market, or a seller's market? The other thing I like to do, to generate leads is to use data like this. So for example, I can use data from my husband renovates properties in Bellwood, Illinois. I can look at 2013 versus 2014. So in Bellwood in 2013, for a detached home, median sales prices were 40,000 and now they're at 246. This is the kind of data I like to use to convert. And guess what? You can use artificial intelligence to compare and contrast the data. So if you're like, I just need to get started right away, go watch this video where I show you how you can use tools, data tools from your MLS to start converting people now. If you're like, you know what, Carrie, I'd love to learn from you in person, go to the description and sign up for one of my upcoming live courses or catch a replay.